In this set of videos, we are going to learn about the recycler view. The recycler view is a way to display a list of content on the screen that can be scrolled. Let's go over to our main activity. We need to design the UI. I'm going to get rid of Hello World. And I'm going to add a couple buttons to the bottom of the screen. And I'll go ahead and pin these. Maybe this one will say, make it 32 out from the sides and 16 from the bottom. Again, make it whatever you want it to be. I want to update the text on here, but to do that I need to create some strings. So I'll go to Resources, Values, Strings. And so we'll do string name equals button add title. And the other one we're going to do is button clear. And now we can come in here and we'll do add on this side. So let's change the text to title add, and over here to title clear. Now we need to add the recycler view. The recycler view, oh, actually let's give these names first before I forget. So we'll call this one button add, and we'll call this one, button clear. There we go. So the recycler view, it's over here in common, recycler view, and you'll see you have to download it. The reason is it hasn't always been part. It was added in, I believe it's part of the Android X package. And it hasn't always been there. So there used to be a control called a list view, but that was replaced by Google with the recycler view. Recycler view is more efficient, but it's also a lot more flexible. So you won't see anybody using the list view anymore in a new application, although you certainly could still see it in an old one. And it did work largely the same. If you know how to use a recycler view, you could learn how to use a list view very easily, although you'll certainly not use one in this class. So to get it, I just come over here and click the download, which is going to add it to this project. It just takes a moment. And then I can add it to my project like I do anything else, just drag and drop it in here. I'm going to go ahead, did it put my, there we go. So I'll go ahead and tie it to the sides, and then I'm going to tie it to the button here. And then just so that we have a little bit of spacing, I'm going to put a little padding around it. And again, there's no right or wrong on this, just whatever you think makes sense. There we go. Okay, so we've got a little padding in place. Something didn't look right there, but I guess it is. Okay. There we go. Okay, that's better. I wanted to get my padding in there. Okay, so it's all in place and it's ready to go. If I run the app right now, it's not going to look all that exciting. Wait for it to build and install. The first one always takes a little longer. There it goes. Okay, so right now there's really, you don't see anything. So what we'll have to do next is write code to populate this list. And that I'm actually going to do in the next video.